I see the stars shine in your eyes, a universe I can't disguise. Your laughter's like a melody, and I'd give the world to make you see. I'm not saying I'm perfect, no, but for you I'll learn and grow. Tell me your dreams, your secret plans, I'll be the one who understands. For you I'd move the mountains high, rewrite the stars up in the sky. I'd chase the sun, I'd steal the moon, to make your every wish come true. For you I'd walk 1,000 miles, just to see your radiant smile. There's nothing I wouldn't do.